Picture this. It's a cold winter morning, and you can't seem to shake off the stiffness in your muscles and joints. You're trying to go about your day, but the winter chill has gripped your body, making each movement feel like a monumental task. This isn't just a figment of your imagination, it's a common issue that many people face during the colder months. Muscle stiffness and joint pain can significantly affect our daily activities, reducing our productivity and dampening our spirits. It can be a real struggle to maintain our routines and keep up with our responsibilities when our bodies are constantly battling against the cold. But what if we told you there is a way to fight back? What if there was a way to ward off the winter stiffness and reclaim your mobility? Stay tuned as we delve into this. So, you've decided to take matters into your own hands and improve your flexibility. But wait, are you making these common mistakes? In our quest to enhance flexibility, we sometimes overlook the fact that the journey to limber muscles isn't a sprint, but a marathon. One of the most frequent blunders people make is pushing too hard, too soon. Your muscles are not elastic bands. They need time to adapt and grow. Overstretching can lead to muscle strains or even more severe injuries. The key is to be patient and consistent, increasing your range of motion gradually over time. Another common pitfall is ignoring the importance of a proper warm-up. Imagine trying to bend a cold, stiff piece of plastic. It's likely to snap, right? The same principle applies to your muscles. A good warm-up raises your body temperature, increasing blood flow to your muscles and making them more pliable. Think of it as prepping your muscles for the main event, the stretch. And speaking of stretching, it's not just about doing it, it's about doing it regularly. Consistency is king when it comes to flexibility. You can't stretch once a week and expect to turn into a human pretzel. Regular stretching not only improves flexibility, but also helps maintain it. Remember, it's better to stretch a little every day than a lot once a week. Lastly, many people underestimate the role of rest and recovery in flexibility improvement. Your muscles need time to repair and grow after being stretched. Ignoring rest days can lead to overuse injuries and hinder your flexibility progress. Listen to your body and give it the rest it deserves. So, now you know the common pitfalls to avoid when working on your flexibility. Pushing too hard, neglecting a proper warm-up, inconsistent stretching, and ignoring rest and recovery can all set you back in your flexibility journey. Now that you know what not to do, it's time to learn the right way to enhance flexibility and keep those winter aches at bay. Stretching is not just about reaching for your toes, it's a science. And when done correctly, it can work wonders for your flexibility. The right way to stretch is a delicate balance of precision and patience. It's about understanding your body's limits and gently coaxing it to reach new lengths. Now, let's talk about the correct techniques for different stretches, emphasizing the importance of slow, steady movements and regular practice. Firstly, let's discuss the hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of you. Bend forward at the waist, keeping your back straight. Reach for your toes, but don't worry if you can't touch them. The key here is to feel a gentle pull in the back of your legs, not to test your limits. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds before releasing. Next, we move on to the shoulder stretch. Stand tall, reach one arm across your body and use your other arm to pull it closer to your chest. Remember, the aim is to feel a stretch in your shoulder, not to wrench it out of its socket. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch arms. Another essential stretch is for the quadriceps, the muscles at the front of your thighs. Stand on one foot, bend your other knee, and hold onto your ankle. Pull your foot towards your buttock, keeping your knees together and your standing leg straight. Again, the focus here is on feeling a stretch, not on how far you can pull your foot. And then there's the tricep stretch. Raise one arm, bend it at the elbow so your hand is reaching for the opposite shoulder blade. With your other hand, gently press down on the elbow, deepening the stretch. Hold, release, and switch arms. It's important to note that these stretches should be performed slowly and steadily. Jerky movements or overstretching can lead to injuries, which is the opposite of what we're aiming for. And remember, stretching should never cause pain. If it hurts, you're pushing too hard. Ease off a bit and find the level of stretch that's right for you. Consistency is another crucial aspect of effective stretching. It should be part of your daily routine, not something you do once in a blue moon when you remember or feel stiff. Over time, regular stretching will improve your flexibility, reduce muscle stiffness, and increase your range of motion. Also, don't forget to breathe. Deep, steady breaths can help you relax into the stretch, making it more effective. Try to sync your breath with your movements, exhaling as you deepen the stretch and inhaling as you release. Lastly, it's important to warm up before you start stretching. A short walk or a few minutes of light cardio can get your blood flowing and make your muscles more pliable, reducing the risk of injury. Remember, patience is key in flexibility training. Rome wasn't built in a day, nor is flexibility achieved overnight. So take your time, listen to your body, and let the magic of stretching unfold at its own pace. Did you know that what you eat and drink can also impact your flexibility? Indeed, hydration and nutrition are integral to muscle health and overall flexibility. Let's delve deeper into this. Hydration is the cornerstone of muscle health. Your muscles are, impressively, about 75% water. This liquid element facilitates the smooth contraction and relaxation of muscles, preventing stiffness and cramps. Dehydration can lead to decreased muscle strength and endurance, making you more susceptible to muscle stiffness and joint pain. In the winter months, we often forget to drink enough water as we may not feel as thirsty due to the cold. However, hydration is just as important in winter as it is in summer. Now let's talk nutrition. Your body is a complex machine that requires a variety of nutrients to function optimally. For muscle health and flexibility, certain foods can be particularly beneficial. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts help reduce inflammation and improve muscle recovery. Protein-rich foods are your muscle's best friends. They aid in muscle repair and growth, reducing the risk of injury and stiffness. Incorporate lean meats, eggs, legumes, and dairy into your diet for a protein boost. Don't forget about fruits and vegetables. They are packed with vitamins and minerals essential for muscle function. For instance, potassium found in bananas and sweet potatoes helps prevent muscle cramps, while vitamin C in citrus fruits aids collagen production for healthy joints. Magnesium, found in foods like spinach and almonds, also plays a significant role in muscle function. It helps regulate muscle contractions and can help alleviate muscle cramps and stiffness. Remember, balance is key. No single food can provide all the nutrients you need. A varied, balanced diet paired with adequate hydration can go a long way in improving muscle health and flexibility. So don't neglect your diet. It plays a crucial part in your journey to better flexibility. It's not just about stretching and physical exercises. What you fuel your body with matters equally. So keep that water bottle close and make mindful food choices. Here's to better health and flexibility, one sip and bite at a time. We've covered a lot of ground today, but remember, the journey to improved flexibility is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. It's winter, and the cold can take a toll on your muscles, making them stiff, leading to discomfort and sometimes even pain. But with the right approach, we can mitigate these effects and keep our bodies feeling good all year round. We've talked about common pitfalls that many people fall into when trying to improve their flexibility. Rushing the process, not warming up properly, or stretching incorrectly can all lead to injuries rather than improvements. It's vital to approach your flexibility journey with patience and knowledge, and that's where the right way to stretch comes in. Remember, it's all about slow, controlled movements, holding each stretch for at least 30 seconds and always warming up first. The right stretching routine can make a world of difference in preventing muscle stiffness and joint pain during winter. But, as we've learned, it's not just about stretching. Proper hydration and nutrition play a crucial role in maintaining flexibility and preventing muscle stiffness. Drinking plenty of water and consuming a balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals is just as important as your stretching routine. We've also touched on the importance of consistency. Improving flexibility isn't something that happens overnight. It's a journey that requires dedication, patience, and consistency. Whether it's a part of your physiotherapy or a personal goal, consistency is key. Remember, each small step you take towards improving your flexibility is one step closer to a more comfortable, pain-free winter. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Stay consistent, stay patient, and you'll be amazed at how much easier those cold winter mornings become. Here's to a more flexible you.